Hi, I'm Mr. Hoover, and in this video we're going to have a look at problem 7d. Well, the function of 7d is f of x is equal to minus x plus 5 squared plus 1. Well, again, you know, minus x squared looks like this. Then minus x minus plus 5 squared will look like this. 5 to the left will look somewhat like this. Then you add 1 minus x plus 5 squared plus 1. It's always with a y in front of it. Is now the following. 5 to the right and 1 up, so it will look somewhat like this. And you have a minus 1, so it's neither a vertical stretch nor a vertical shrink. So it's just the original parabola. So you go to minus 5 plus 1, that will be your vertex. And then 1 to the right, 1 down, 2 to the right and 4 down, 3 to the right and now 9 down. Same thing over here, because it's symmetric with respect to this line through minus 5, vertical line through minus 5. So here we go. And then you get the original parabola in this nice and rounded, smooth shape, which is called a parabola in its vertex form. The vertex is at minus 5, 1. So if you don't believe that, if you can't see it from here, you could always plug in numbers. Well, we would probably start with minus 5, x and y, because you can plug in minus 5 here, that will be 0, so you get 1. Then from here on, 3 to the right and 3 to the left, well, so that's minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So let's plug in minus 4. You plug in minus 4, that's 1 in the brackets, you square it, that's 1. With a minus in front of it, that's minus 1. You add 1, you get 0. This is this point here. Same thing for minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 because of the minus here. You add 1, so you get minus 3. Look, this is this point. Then you do the same thing with minus 2. You get 3 in here. You square it, that's 9. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. That's this point here. And you can do the same thing with the other side too. So you plug in minus 6, that's minus 1. When squared, that's 1. With the minus in front of it, that's minus 1. Plus 1, that's 0. So you can see you get some symmetry here through this vertical line, or with respect to this vertical line through minus 5. So it will be minus 3 and minus 8. If you don't believe it, just plug it in. Minus 8, that will be minus 3 here. You square it, then it's minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Minus 7 plus 5, that's minus 2. When squared, that's 4. Minus 4 because of the minus here. You add 1, that's minus 3. But, well, the end goal is to look at the vertex form and to know that it looks like this. So I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.